riding this train?
All aboard! Here we go.
Here we go now.
Yeah.
I can't wait. We're going on. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Run away. Come on. Here we
Okay.
go. No, I don't want to take a picture. Here we go. Whoa. Here we go. I like this one. We're going a long way.
Going a long way.
Yeah. When the train will stop. Hey, where we go? Oh. Where are we going?
Going all the way around the mall.
Whoa. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, on the train. When will we stop?
We're gonna go all the way around the mall first.
It's a long way. Why is it that train?
There's the fountain. Don't stand up.
I thought it was something along there. Are we stopping yet?
No,
Why not?
because we're gonna go all the way back where we came from.
And it's
You
I
do?
want on playing again.
Maybe we'll do it again next time.
The train's going up and down.
It's kind of rattling. Looks like some good candy, huh?
Yeah. That's good candy. Well, look, I really want to ride those. This is a good train. Here we go. Whoa. It's taking us. He said it.
Is it toot toot?
Yeah. home.
Yeah.
Daddy, how was Nana White on his plane?
And it right on the train too?
Yeah. Was us.
Looks like our car.
Yeah. Whoa.
There's the fountain again.
Huh?
There's the fountain again.
Yeah. Again. How is it there again? It keeps coming. And look! What's this place at the mall?
Which place?
This place?
This is the mall.
No. But is there still trains here?
No, there's just one.
Why?
Guess they only need one.
I like it. I like on this one. Maybe it won't stop.
It'll stop.
Why?
It'll take us right back to where we started.
Yeah.
Then it'll stop.
I would get taken then I would keep riding. Oh, here we go. Oh.
already passed the fountain.
And we win again. Here it comes. Whoa, here we go. They can't catch us.
We're going too fast, huh?
Yeah. So we all go so fast they don't catch us. They can't catch us now. But those people caught us. Yeah.
Well, they're going the other way.
They catched up to us.
Oh, they were ahead of us. We caught up to them.
They were ahead of us. They were back ahead of us. They're both here. Here we go.
And we're back where we started.
Yay.
Was that a fun train ride?
Yeah. Stop making me dizzy.
Okay, how